Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I will show you how you can recover WhatsApp view once photo. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead and open up our WhatsApp app right over here, and I'm gonna be letting you know the process of it. So unfortunately, it is simply not possible to recover on WhatsApp a view once photo after it's been sent. However, you can try using a third-party app or screen recorder to recover it if it hasn't been overwritten. That is the only possible way, because it is simply designed to ensure that shared media is not saved and it cannot be seen more than once. And the possible solution for is that you can ask the sender to resend the photo, or you can, again, as I mentioned, use a third-party app like Chatsback for WhatsApp for it to be recovered, or you can use a online screen record it to capture the photo from a web browser. You simply screen record it, and that's how you can keep it. Or you can use the free online screen recorder to capture the photo from a web browser as well. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.